Hey guys, Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. Today we're looking at the Ray SPX 210. So one of the features that I absolutely love is this rear-facing lounger. So this pops up, sets nicely there, and you've got really like a lifeguard spot. Kids are swimming, you're hanging out. A lot of the time, you'll go to one of your favorite coves, throw the anchor, and then this really becomes the hangout. The Seadek matte flooring has a lot of traction, easy to get in and out of the water, and then you've got your nice long ladder recessed here in the platform. So a nice easy walkthrough transitions into a very spacious cockpit. You have on the aft bench a built-in cooler. You also have under the L-shaped seat another secondary cooler here that you can take in and out with you. Just real versatile seating, so this can pop up, set this back, and you've got that spotter seat. Or if it's just you and significant other or friend, you can sit parallel with the captain's chair. The Seadek flooring throughout this is snap-in. It's easy to keep clean. It's really just soap and water, and has a real nice touch to the feet. Real spongy, but at the same time doesn't collect water, doesn't smell, and gives it a real rich look. So a new vinyl color is our stone gray. This looks awesome whether it's an SPX, SDX, or SLX, and just has a real classy look that you come to expect with Ray. So again, we're on the 210 SPX. This boat is rated for 12 people. You just got a ton of room all throughout. We equipped a lot of these with the elevation package, which is the water sports tower. And yeah, come see us at any of our MarineMax locations, and then I'm out here at Sail and Ski in Lakeway, and feel free to give me a shout. It's 512-450-8023. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.